Shroomstomp here, and we are back on the UU ladder. Unfortunately, I didn't come up with any really new teams, but what I wanted to try out was if my Rain team still has a chance on higher on the ladder. I think I don't know where we are, but we are definitely something close to 1500. So, my opponent has a pretty threatening looking team, except that Chansey. I mean, the Chansey is also threatening, but not in an offensive sense. Yeah, and it's pretty annoying because only my Azumarill and pretty much only Azumarill can really break it. I mean, Celesteela can also play around it, and Seismitoad can knock it off and stuff like that. I think he will lead off with. I kind of want to have an anti-lead against his anti-lead, which will probably something which can hit Politoad. So maybe like Thunderous, and Thunderous also hits Seismitoad, is what I'm expecting. But even Ludicolo isn't a good lead because he can just Volt Switch on it. Yeah, Thunderous is a big problem. Anyway, I'm just leading with Ludicolo. I just said it's kind of a dumb idea, but yeah, I don't know what else to do. Yeah, he leads off with Gyarados. He maybe wanted to just start Dragon Dancing on my Politoad, which is an okay idea, I think. So, probably just goes to Chansey. Oh, no, he actually just Dragon Dances and almost dies to one Leaf Storm. So, the problem is that we don't have Rain up, which means the Gyarados is now faster than anything on my team and can KO anything with a Power Whip. Let's go to Celesteela, expecting the Power Whip, and now we could predict and go into Azumarill expecting the Water Attack, and then we can Aqua Jet, but I want to preserve HP on Azumarill for the Chansey. Let's just Heavy Slam. Yeah, this does a good chunk, but I think that's good for us. Yeah, I mean Gyarados is a pretty big threat in general to this team, so kind of good to defeat that. Okay, Thunderous comes in. He could be a Nasty Plot, which kind of doesn't want to make me go for Protect. Oh God, I've lost my internet connection. No. What am I going to do? I'm just going to switch to Seismitoad and then back to Celesteela, scouting for the Grass Knot. Okay, he has it. I don't know what his set is. Let's get some HP back. Okay, he doesn't seem to have Thunderbolt. I mean, he could have Thunderbolt, but I know if I were him, I would have gone for Thunderbolt at some point. If he Volt switches and I go into Politoad, I think that's good. Let's just use Politoad as a one-time switch in. And we barely tanked that. I figured if we could live one, but that was a little too close for my liking. We could make a bold prediction and go into Seismitoad. but he could easily just grass not because there's no way where he shouldn't, as yeah, Politoed would go down to that. And yeah, I think I'm just going to Hydro Pump. Yeah, chance is obvious, but I mean that's still incredible damage given that this is Chansey. And he makes a really bold prediction. Like if I had just Hydro Pumped again, like that could have been over because it has no switch-ins at all. Yeah, I have to get rid of the Stealth Rocks with my Mantine. Yeah, I kind of expected that I would take the Thunderbolt easier from Thunderous, but I kind of forgot that my Politoed is so physically defensive oriented. Yeah, let's just switch into Mantine right now. And let's defog. And let's go into Seismitoad. He will just stealth rock up probably. Okay. Or just do that. I'm thinking about if I should just sack my Celesteela. I mean, it defeat. I don't know. No, actually not. It just defeats. It might defeat Shivachi. It defeats Scizor probably. It defeats Chansey probably. But I don't want to go into, I don't know, Politoed right now. I mean, maybe it's just a play right now. I mean, if I don't have Rain up, Thunderous is just going to sweep me. Like he outgoes everything. Maybe I have to sack my Mantine. Or Ludicolo. This is so tough. Okay, let's sack Politoed. That might have been a bad play. Now I have to win fast. Chansey isn't a switch-in anymore. I have to win fast because as soon as the rain runs out, if Thunders is still alive, he just wins. That's unfortunate. That's not what I want. That's what I want. Yay. He is going to soft-boiled. Yes, and something is going to die now on his side. If I were him, I would sack Shivachi, then go into Thunderous. I have to sack something. Okay, or did he just... What is he doing? Okay. Oh, actually, he's just winning. Yeah. I mean, he doesn't have Sludge Bomb, I might live one. I think Mantine is the most useless one. He's still fast? No, he's Choice Scarf, okay. Oh, this actually gives me oh, it doesn't give me a chance. No, that was a throw on his part. If I went for Scald again, then I might have put him in Aqua Jet range. I went into Celesteela so I could get a sub up, but he didn't know that I have that set. Why did he play like that? That's okay. He has Thunderbolt. Oh, we actually saw Thunderbolt on when he attacked my Politoad. Yeah, I don't agree with his plays at all. Um, let's sack Mantine because why not? I don't know if Grass Knight all goes, but I mean, it probably does. He could have Focus Plus as his last attack, although Thunderbolt probably just knocks me out as well. I mean, no matter what, I think I have to look how much Arquage it does. First, anyway, yeah, see. Like a Scald into a Arquage might have just knocked him out. It was so dumb on his part. That's the most annoying part. Not that I lost, but the way I lost that game. Yeah, let's just see if we can live one. Oh, I don't know if we had lived one. I mean, I don't know if like World Switch does like 48. 16 more is like, I mean, that's 64%. Could Thunderbolt do like 64%? I don't know. Um, so we could sack Seismitoad and get one more Protect off. No, no, actually, let's see how much that is. Yeah, okay, that just, oh, it was a crit. Yeah, I don't know if that caught me or not. So, I feel like I can tag one. The question is, should I go for Heavy Slam or Leech Seed? For Leech Seed, I think I have to get a double protect, but I don't think. I mean, Heavy Slam has like 120 base power. No, I don't think Heavy Slam knocks out. Yeah, we live one. Oh, now we have to get a triple protect. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, okay. I mean, decent game. We could have won that if my opponent. Uh, yeah, I mean, the way my opponent played, I could have won that, but only because of that. I don't know. I will do another one next episode to uh, see if that Wayne team can hold up against higher ladder opponent. See you then.